Hello, my dear friends, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here again. Today, we're going to paint a peaceful and emotional sunset scene. A simple bicycle standing quietly against the warm glow of the evening sky. I start with a large flat brush, mixing blue, white, a touch of black, and just a hint of red. With soft, sweeping motions, I cover the upper part of the black canvas, letting the colors blend into each other like fading daylight. Then, with a little more red and white, I brighten the middle area of the sky so the transition feels smooth, soft, and natural. I blend these layers carefully, allowing the cool tones of the evening to melt into the warmth below. Now I mix a strong, vibrant orange, the heart of our sunset, and I add it to the lowest part of the sky. This warm color immediately brings life to the painting, reminding us of that magical moment when the sun touches the horizon for the very last time. I blend everything together one more time, keeping the transitions gentle and dreamy. Every stroke here sets the mood for the entire artwork. Next, I move to the earth beneath the sky. I prepare a warm, earthy brown and begin shaping the ground where the bicycle will stand. With a smaller brush, I mix a bit of white into the sky color and begin adding scattered clouds here and there. Tiny touches, nothing too heavy, just soft little shapes drifting across the sunset. Closer to the horizon, I shift to a deeper orange to paint the lower clouds, catching the warm light. Their edges glow brighter because the sun is right behind them. Now I brighten the area where the sun will be setting, adding a glowing, almost white-orange light. Then I place the sun itself, small, radiant, right where the bicycle will frame it so beautifully. Next, I pull long, soft rays of light across the ground. These beams create depth, warmth, and that magical sunset feeling that makes this scene so emotional and calming. To bring texture into the earth, I use light and dark brown tones to add small bumps, uneven spots, and hints of dry soil. I use soft, uneven strokes to show the natural texture and slight roughness of the soil. This helps the landscape feel real, alive, and a bit wild, just like nature always is. These little variations help show the roughness of the path and the natural imperfections that make landscapes feel alive. With a thin liner brush, I begin shaping the tall grasses, bending gently in the breeze. Each stroke is quick, upward, and delicate, like nature whispering quietly as the day ends. Now it's time for the star of this painting, the bicycle. With steady hands and a thin brush, I carefully draw the main structure: the wheels, the frame, the handlebar, the seat. I slowly refine the lines, adding small details that give the bike its character and charm. This silhouette against the sunset tells a story, a moment paused in time, a journey interrupted just to watch the sky burn with color. And just like that, our peaceful sunset scene, with a quiet bicycle resting in the golden light, comes to life on the canvas. Thank you so much for painting along with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, leave your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more relaxing landscape tutorials. See you in the next painting.